If your Samsung stove is showing the CF2 error code, don't panic. This is a common issue, and most of the time, it's something you can fix yourself with a few simple checks. So what does CF2 actually mean? Essentially, it's a communication problem between the touchpad and the main control board. It could be caused by a faulty touchpad, a damaged ribbon cable, or even the control board itself. The first thing to check is the touchpad. Always make sure your stove is unplugged before doing anything. Remove the front panel and inspect the touchpad carefully. Look for burns, cracks, corrosion, or anything unusual. If you see damage, replacing the touchpad is usually the quickest solution. Once replaced, reassemble the stove and power it on to see if the error disappears. Next, inspect the ribbon cable. Again, unplug the stove and access the cable. Check for dirt, corrosion, or physical damage like bends or burns. You can clean it gently with a soft, dry cloth, but make sure it's completely dry before reconnecting. If it's damaged, replacement is necessary. If the error persists, the main control board could be the culprit. With the stove unplugged, remove the panel to access the board. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and visually inspect for burnt components or damage. If needed, replace the board or specific components. If none of these steps work or you're not comfortable opening the stove yourself, it's best to contact Samsung support or a certified technician. Some electrical issues are safer in the hands of a pro. By following these steps, you can usually fix the CF2 error and get your stove back to normal without any stress.